me the road for walking harder for me get close to me dream. How much me can endure, how much strength remaining for me.
I will be going to the farm today. Don't worry why I'm just so like I look like a homeless person. That's because I am going to the farm and they have like loads of insect that bite and stuff like that. And plus when you're going to the farm, you don't really dress nice. It's morning now. Don't know, you can hear the crickets a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to the farm. I will show you guys what the farm look like and the road that we take to go to the farm. Yeah. This is the donkey carrying all the things that we need for the farm. Today I will be going to the farm with my mom, my second mom. I will be going to the farm. I will show you guys what's this like at the farm. And the farm is towards can't remember the road here, you know. Where your road called again? All road. And that's my basic school basically. That's my nursery and my reception school right there. That's my friend's house and her dad's shop. So we are walking. It's early morning, so it's quiet, but we are walking towards All Road. At this house they normally have some bad dogs, and hopefully they don't have any bad dogs at the moment. The place is all quiet, and yeah, this is the way to the farm, guys. I'm a real country girl today. I'm going to the farm. Hopefully, I'm scared, guys, because sometimes the dogs they come out from nowhere. Hopefully none come. As you can see, a man is coming from the farm. That's Bunny. I know him. He's coming from the farm with the banana in his head. Morning. You alright? Yeah. 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 That's one of our friend's house. I used to go to this house. His name is Mas George. Yeah. See, everybody say I'm going to the bush, which means I'm going to the farm. Don't get it twisted. Even though this is the farm, they have some nice house. Like over this side, you know. Some pretty house. When I get further, then I will show you guys. Country. Like really nice house. And when you're going at them house, it's nice, you know. Like it might be not look nice, but it might interrupted by somebody saying hello to me. They have some nice house in country, you know. And even if their house is not nice and you go inside, like it really look nice, like it look posh. But yeah, so we're heading towards the farm. You can see the donkey ahead of us. Donkey doing his duty that he's supposed to do. Know what I mean? So I'm gonna walk. This is another nice house. It's not too bad. My classmate, nice house. This is my classmate. Bye, Shanice. Yeah. This is one of my classmate house. Her name is KK. She got a friend now, you know, me here. I think she they are Canada, but I'm a classmate house. This is nice, Mr. Bull house. Me and I used to go to school together. And we did then. I see him class too. So this is a fair house. Yeah. And maybe I don't fear house. Maybe it's somebody else's house. But I'm pretty sure it's other one at our house. If another one at our house, the next green one will pass. And the next green one will pass. And they're digging out the yam. Every day I dig out the yam. Just digging out the yam. She already dig out some yam. Another yam. And another yam. But they're digging out some other yam. There's another man down there working. And this is the yam tree, guys. Full up of beer farm and stuff. Mostly everybody plant yam over here. That's the bamboo stick where the yam are gonna be around. It is digging for yam. See much yam in dig already. Up. See them there?
A good vibe, you stuff like a slow work. You say love, say I'm going to cut the empty.
Akali, you think our routine is easier?
They get another yam dig up. It's a big one.
I'm going to see me now. But I'm going to cut the empty. Easy and done faster too. Every time you have to go take. Me used to him, man, but you 1/3, the both are 2 price. What a pussy.
Like he's chopping. So the other man come and dig, he's chopping off. He's clearing like the ticks and the cutting off the yam tree. So the person can dig the yam. What dig yam? Look at my farm shoes, guys. I'm really bush girl. Amanda! I'm in Christina in the meat shop. I just came from the farm. It was raining. I will show you guys the footage. But I'm at Christina now. We're in the market, guys. In Christina market with them. Mango. Here. Pineapple. Tomato.
Why not let money here? You don't send on all of these apps for you. That's why I'm all the money for myself. How much cabbage? You want your daughter, so much.
Hey, you me work up one man. You can get 150. Oh.
When I can go to
Yes, she let me see what they put in the jacket. I'm coming now. You want to sell me what to make? No, how about you come by? Ah.
Dear God, show me the road for